And we start the day with the officers. I'm finna ride to work. Wait on buddy to go out. He told me to go out. You have a good day? Let's go to work. I hope y'all hear me clear on the microphone, Let's see how this turned out. Live mic check. Y'all ride with me to work. I don't got my music on today because I want y'all to be able to hear me. But I don't know how that muffler's gonna do. So let's see. Ride. Ciao, Mr. Carter. That's all red. Huh. And what's good, Ryker fam? You already know it's your boy Cruz, and you watching Cruise Control. Now, on this trip right here, I realized that my new microphone setup worked amazing. Shout out King Jaffe Joe, man. You know what I'm saying? Pointed me in the right direction. Mount worked out perfect, man. We got that whole thing up and running. I was trying to do like Sean Smoke a little bit and just do my little ride and talk, but I actually forgot to talk while I was recording the video. I was just zoned out, man. People drive crazy out here, man. You gotta be on your P's and Q's, and I actually forgot to talk while I was recording the video, but I still got some good shots in there. Found out that the mic does work. It does work good. I'm gonna do a little bit more tweaking to buffer out that wind noise and maybe muffle the muffler a little bit more, but the mic works. That's what we wanted to find out, and that's great. But I'm gonna let y'all get back to the video. This was just my little ride in, testing 1 2. You watching the channel, and if you want to find out where I work, man, stay to the end, cause I literally drive all the way to work. You watching Cruise Control? Press that like button, subscribe, share the videos, show a friend. Anybody thinking about getting a Ryker, send it to them. Y'all help me, I help y'all, we help each other, man. It's the Ryker family, and it's your boy, Cruz. But we made it, man. That wasn't too long. Hopefully everything came out good and I can get it out to you guys. And it's not too much wind noise or muffler noise. The muffler sounded really loud this morning without my music playing. So we'll see how that turns out. Traffic turned out all right. Now to go in here. Nobody wants to go in here. Got his badge, he gotta get all his license plate and all his information written down. I don't got time for that. Bye-bye, bro. And we made it safe, man. Another good day. Safe ride. Y'all already know what it is, man. And that's the elevator. It's Cruz.